Hey everyone. Okay, so we're doing some cleanup on an old international service truck. I'm gonna try out some of this stuff I've had kicking around for a long time. It's an acid that they use to normally turn aluminum from like shiny to white. But it also has, I read the instructions, it also has stuff about aluminum, copper, brass, regular mild steel, galvanized metals, blah blah blah. Anyways, stainless steels. So it's supposed to take the goo and the cleaner and all that kind of stuff off of it, brighten it up, not shine it up, but theoretically, like, you know, you could turn dull aluminum into bright white aluminum. So overuse of this stuff will start to pit your aluminum and make it look just like, you'll see some tractor trailers where the tanks are just white. That's why. But anyways, so we got our handy dandy measuring cup here. We're doing the maths and the mixings and stuff. We'll put it into a spray bottle, throw some gloves on, and go give the old, you can't see, there we go. Go give the old girl a spray down, and I'll show you how that works out. Okay, we got the secret concoction mixed up here. Got our rubber gloves on. Start spraying. I got a timer going for 5 minutes. That's what it says to do on the packaging. This is a international service truck. Pretty well used and well loved, so it's pretty dirty, pretty rusty, lots of like fallout. I've already pressure washed this once, so I'm gonna try and get some of this iron oxide off of this thing. So I'm gonna spray this down, and I'll come back to you guys here in a sec, just with both hands. Okay, so we're about 3 minutes in. Got it scrubbed down pretty good. This paint's totally trash, so I'm not worried about scratching it or anything, obviously. Yeah, give it a couple more minutes to soak in here, and try and wash it off and hold the camera at the same time. Okay, that is significantly better on this stuff here. Yeah, that looks way better too. The plastic didn't do as well. There's also soot still going onto it, but still some fallout. But honestly, where I got, yeah, it's actually way better. So yeah, that's just a winner. I might concentrate a little bit more. I was using like 5 to 1 there. I might go down to 4 or 3. But like, okay, contrast. This is what it looks like now. Still has fallout in it. Still has a little bit of something. Will literally come off of my finger. I didn't get enough over here. So we're doing pretty good here. I like this. This is good news. think this thing looks significantly better. I'm gonna keep at this. I'll do a couple more layers and scrubs and report back.